Hello, I'm Maria.
Hello, I'm Naya, and we are going to present Brazil.
In Brazil, speak in Portuguese. It is 8,544,877 square kilometers. It has 192,272,819 inhabitants. The capital city of Brazil is Brasilia. It is located in America.
This is the flag of Brazil. The flag of Brazil is green, yellow, and blue. The basic unit of the Brazil currency is the real. They are Christians. They produce grass oil, soybeans, sugar, poultry, coffee, chemical good food, vehicles, and aircraft.
This is the Carnival of Brazil. The Carnival in Rio de Janeiro is very special. This is the photo of Neymar. He is a football player of Brazil.
This is the typical instrument of Brazil.
This is the typical food of Brazil.
And this is Rio de Janeiro.
Thank you for your attention, and we hope you like it.
And what have you brought us?
Olo de sogra.
Olo de sogra. Would you like to taste it?
Yes!